how to record screen on MacBook for free without using any additional software. So let's get started. Head over to search icon. Here type QuickTime Player. Click on it. Here you can see nothing. This is normal. Don't worry. Click on cancel. Now move to this part and then right click on it. Here you can see different options. New movie recording, new audio recording, new screen recording. Click on new movie recording if you want to record your face with your front camera. Click on new audio recording if you want to record your audio. If you want to record screen, then click it here. After that, you can see multiple options. Capture entire screen. If you want to capture your entire screen, click it here. If you want to capture selected window, then click it here. If you want to capture selected portion, then click it here. Click it here if you want to record entire screen. Click it here if you want to record selected portion. Majority of users have requirement to record entire screen, so we will click it here. So click on record button if you want to record a screen without voice, because this is by default option. As you can see, there is no microphone is selected, so it will record without voice. If you select any microphone, then it will record with audio. Let's say we go with MacBook Pro microphone and then click on record screen. As you can see, the screen is recording in MacBook Pro or any MacBook you are using. Now if you want to stop it, simply click on this button. Now the screen has been recorded. Let's play it. Now the screen will be recorded. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.